Top 9 tried and tested advice on how to make up after a fight. Which couple doesn't fight? Fights are the part and parcel of a relationship. But carrying on the same for long is not at all beneficial because it makes the relationship bitter. So here are some tricks which can make the partners have love for each other. Have a reconciliation image result for couple fight. Sometimes you should start up the talks post-fighting because it somehow helps the situation to be the better one. Give yourself some space image result for alone enjoy. Try and maintain some gap after the heated argument. Both the partners should get some space to rethink upon the points which were not necessary. It's okay to agree with a disagreement image result for couple fight. When it comes to the mutual talks after the fight, then it should be resolved in a different manner. Sometimes, things are not right, but again, it's the matter of love. Simply say sorry. Image result for couple fight. It's when we sometimes rethink and realize that the mistake is actually yours. Go and apologize to the partner, which is fruitful at the end of the day. Some intimacy is required. Image result for romantic couple pick. To have some lovemaking session after a fight is one of the best way to have steamy similar passion. Let it go this point because sometimes winning a fight is not more important than love. Leave it when argument is worthless. Image result for couple fight. After the argument, couple should understand that these fights are mere of a short span. They should not take burden to the next level. Have a good night's sleep. Image result for couple fight. If things are not seem to be sorted, it's okay to let the things go in the way they flow. Just sleep and leave things to the next beautiful morning. Some cuddle related image. It's a miraculous remedy to end the fight. When you are close, you forget every type of tension between you both. Thank you for watching. Share it with your friends and family members. If you found something useful and enjoyed watching it, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Love you. Goodbye.